In this video, I'll show you 5 practical Affinity tricks to speed up your workflow. Trick 1. Place an image inside any shape. Open the Shapes panel from the left and select any shape. I'm using a star shape. Resize it as needed. Import your image. Drag the image layer in the Layers panel and drop it directly onto the shape layer. The image is now clipped inside the shape. Resize the shape or adjust the image layer independently to position it perfectly. Trick 2. Add stock images without using a browser. Go to Window and enable the Stock panel. On the right side, you'll see integrated platforms like Pexels and Pixabay. Search any keyword, for example, cars. Drag any image directly into your canvas. Both platforms provide different results, so choose according to your design needs. Trick 3. Convert an image into vector, using Image Trace. Select your image or logo. Open the vector mode and click Image Trace from the top bar. Adjust edge threshold and curve fitting, according to the image quality to maintain smooth edges. Apply the trace, then expand the layer in the Layers panel. You'll see individual vector objects. Each element can be selected separately to change colors, edit shapes, remove parts, or refine the design. Trick 4. Upscale image resolution. If your image is low resolution, select it and click Super Resolution from the toolbar in Canva. After processing, compare the before and after result. You'll notice improved sharpness and enhanced detail. Trick 5. Remove background automatically. Import your image and switch to Canva. Remove background from the top right panel. The software automatically detects the subject and removes the background with clean edge results. That's all for today. See you in the next video.